हूं कि ये कानून, ये बदलाव कृषि मंडियों के खिलाफ नहीं है। कृषि मंडियों में जैसे काम पहले होता था वैसे ही अब भी होगा।
Thousands of farmers across the country in Punjab, Haryana, Telangana and several other states are out on the street protesting against the 3 farm ordinances, the 3 farmers' bills that have been presented by the central government in the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha has passed the 3 agricultural reform bills against the previous ordinances. Now let's tell you what are these 3 ordinances that farmers are relentlessly protesting against. Number 1 is the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Ordinance 2020. 2 is the Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Ordinance 2020 and 3 is the Essential Commodities Ordinance 2020. Interestingly, Shiromani Akali Dal MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal has resigned from the Union Cabinet in protest against this legislation. In fact, Akali Dal is BJP's oldest ally and now they have backed out considering that their largest support base is the farming community. Now, what are these new reforms in the farming sector as per this bill and why are farmers protesting against it? Now, there is a government stance and there's a farmer stance. We're going to take you through in detail. Now, the government stance is that farmers can market and sell their produce outside the Notified Agricultural Produce Market Committee, which is the APMC mandis. The government also says that the state governments cannot collect the market fee or cess for trade outside these APMC markets. The government also wants to remove the interstate barriers and provide a framework for the electronic trading of agricultural produce. Now, this is the government stance, while the farmers believe that this is nothing but harassment. Farmers believe that these reforms will make them entirely dependent on traders. In fact, farmers in Punjab believe that the Food Corporation of India and